Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So first of all, you must read GoTranscript transcription guideline rule. This will help you during the exam. These guideline is very important. You must apply all these guidelines before submitting the audio test. Without applying these guidelines, you never pass co-transcript audio test. This clean verbatim section is very important. You need to focus on it. You need to 1 to 2 times master this section. This section is very important. You need to apply all these rules into the audio test. For example, these filler words, for example, like, I mean, so, kind of, etc. And also other and also last. Avoid starting phrase with conjunction in clean verbatim. If you are really need to add injection, just expand the sentence. For example, I went outside, but. So this but is the conjunction and not start sentence not start with conjunction. So that's why I went outside but forget to bring my umbrella. So you need to focus on these guidelines. This clean verbatim section is very important. You need to focus on other guideline is also important, but the main section is this clean verbatim section. So you need to focus on it. This section is very important. Other guideline is also important. You need to read 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the exam. I already transcribed the audio, so let's start the audio test. And
generally, my experience with expatriates is people don't get expatriated very early in their life. It's not like the first thing they do. They usually have a degree of time within their home location with their company to get to know the company. And what I would say is that when the company expatriates people, it's generally taking people that it knows well and it can trust. And I think what I would say from expatriates is you get a degree of reliability. You really know what you're getting. When you send an expatriate manager, you know what he can do. You know what his approach to risk is, to managing in the company's best interests. And so you can rely on it. Okay? It's hard for me to say it's superior performance. I would say it's about risk mitigation. You have a known entity, okay? And that known entity is someone who's worked for you locally, who you can then export their skills, their reliability, their expertise, and you know that's what you'll get. What tends to happen, I feel, and I've seen a lot in my career, is an expatriate will go to a company, he will work with the staff locally, and he'll find very good employees who are really good, knowledgeable, perform well, and he will often identify people who would also benefit from expatriation themselves. And so it often sets up a reverse kind of expatriation, where people from the host country, after the job, then get the opportunity to expatriate themselves. Mm-hmm. And, I see as much value from somebody coming from a second or third world country to an OECD place as I do the other way around, because they get a different appreciation experience. The challenge you have is you have to be careful that it doesn't lead to pure economic migration. I give you a good example. Within when we developed our China strategy, we identified some very, very good Chinese people who were very competent, capable, could do a really good job. And when we took the opportunity to give them expatriation overseas, there was really no desire for them to want to move back to their home country again. Mm-hmm. They liked what they saw overseas, which is fine, and they were good for the company, but probably didn't get as much value as we could if they'd gone back to their home country. Mm-hmm. Yeah? I would say, as a generalization, people are always most likely to be at their highest level of performance when they're dealing in their own country and culture. That's where they're likely to be at their very highest level of performance. Mm-hmm. Okay? And when you move them overseas, they can still have a very high level. It'll never be quite as good as their home location and culture. All right? Mm-hmm. And so you're always trying to work out where you need your capability based on the corporate strategy. And so it's a bit of and particularly in the oil and gas industry, which is a bit of a moving target. You're trying to play ahead to know which country you're going to need the capability in.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. You need to apply all these transcription guidelines into it before submitting. Do not copy paste it. If you copy paste, you never pass GoTranscript audio test. You need to apply all GoTranscription guideline rule. For example, this sentence start with conjunction. So you need to remove this comma remove this full stop with comma and start with small letter and so on. There are many rules in clean verbatim section. So avoid phrase with conjunction in clean verbatim. So this is the very important. And you see in this transcription there is many sentences that start with conjunction. So you need to remove these sentences that start with conjunction and other. For example, this is also start with conjunction and you need to correct this. And more these filler words like like I mean. So in this transcription you see, for example, for example, this I think, and these are filler words. So you need to work on it, this transcription, and you need to apply all these clean verbatim section rule. This section is very important. So I hope you understand what I am trying to say. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.